In a peaceful green meadow near a dark forest lived a small flock of sheep. Among them was a curious young lamb named Oliver. He loved exploring and often wondered what lay beyond the meadow. His mother, Mabel, was always careful to protect him. "Oliver, stay away from the forest," she warned. "It may look interesting, but dangerous animals live there." Oliver listened, but his curiosity continued to grow. One morning, while the other sheep were grazing, he slowly walked toward the forest. "I will only take a quick look," he thought. As he stepped between the trees, the meadow became quieter. Oliver heard strange sounds and suddenly felt nervous. He noticed paw prints in the soft earth and remembered his mother's warning. Just then, he heard a rustling sound behind him. Oliver did not wait to discover what had made the noise. He quickly turned around and ran back toward the meadow. When he reached his mother, she gently pulled him close. "I am glad you came back safely," she said. Oliver lowered his head. "I understand now, Mother. Boundaries are not meant to stop me from having fun. They are meant to keep me safe." From that day forward, Oliver remained curious and adventurous, but he learned to respect the limits that protected him. Moral of the story: good boundaries are there to protect us, not to prevent us from enjoying life. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.